Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to talk about the JK-SBAR harness, designed specially for Jeep Wranglers JK-JKU 2007 to 2018. Now this soundbar makes your installations very easy, saves you time, and makes sure you have all 10 speakers that fit in the DS18 soundbar play loud. Let's open the box and see what we have. We got a DS18 manual. Some brief instructions are in there just to help you see and make everything easier for you. Now let's check out the harness. Now this harness, as you can see, comes almost in two. You got this one and you got this one. Now this is easy. There's no splicing needed, no cables to cut. You got the RGBs that go into the speakers and to the tweeters. You got the tweeters and you got the speaker wire here. You also got the compression drivers. This harness is designed to make all 10 speakers play. This one plugs into your OEM factory soundbar harness, which goes on top of your soundbar, so your courtesy light keeps working. This plugs into your courtesy light and you're set to go. And then you got this harness, which plugs into your aftermarket amplifier, and this one plugs into your RGB module, the DS18 BTC LED. And you're pretty much set to go. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.